Oh, double banner.
Hello, si
Uy.
bro. Sam get the
Double
banner.
si-
Sam.
Uy,
Kaya.
yung mobs. Okay na. Sakit niyan.
Kill mob. Okay. Yo, put. Kill mobs.
Double OC.
Jump nga. Set up mo yung emo. Yan, na-stun mo. Pwede ka mang stun.
Sana.
Yo, boss. Pwede ba stun yung sa gate? Pagka. Yo, come south. Boss, clear this.
Ay,
Do
ila
not
naman
in
ito.
shop.
Patay niyo yung mammoth.
Jampong, pwede ka mag-set up ng E. Please, okay? Pag may nakita kang mag-i-in shop, yung E lang yung pang-set up mo. Yo, boss. Ready, northwest deep. Northwest deep in 3.
ko.
2, 1. Go back, southeast. Come southeast. Click your boots. Double click your boots, boys. Dito ko lang. Come pa.
Ano yung blood sa south natin? May blood
Si
ka
ano
na.
yun? Si
Si-
Jose.
si-
Yung
si Sinarian.
kamis. Yo, ako na ready. Wait, kailangan pala magpalit ng skill. Holy shit, okay.
PH.
Wait,
Vermin.
stay there at the back, boys. Diyan po, pwede mo i-stand to sa ano, yung sa gate, hindi sa gate. Pagka lumapit. Ingat ka, pwede ka engage yan. Yo, northwest, bend the wall. 3, 2, 1. Oh, go back, boys. Go back.
Kill the guard.
Guards, we can kill guards.
Oh, there's a blob under us.
Ingat lang. One class.
It's up, friend.
Ay, tinarari. Never mind. No, that's friendly. Stand mo dyan pong pagka may lumabas yan sa gate, okay? Yo, boys, northwest deep. 3, 2, 1, northwest deep.
Yeah. Go back jump.
Go back instantly lang pagka stand mo. Or be ready to pull out.
Okay, yung royal jacket cycle niyo, please magsalita kayo.
Roll jacket na shield, please.
Wala pa nagbubong sa atin.
Wala pa.
Wala.
Yo, one bedrock at behind, okay?
1D tank.
Makabombayo tayo. Ingat kayo.
Diyan po, stand mo ulit pagka lumapit sa ano yung sa gate. Isa.
Sino yung
Yo, I'm going to hammer. Sino may yung mga dito ka may hammer? Yes. Yo, on the gate. Be ready on the gate in 3, 2, 1, gate.
Masyado
Almost.
Yeah,
Kamis. Bro, that's a hodge. Nagdamit. Nice one. Bro, I'm going to mark the hodge, bro. Where's the hodge?
Yung Agos are right. Ay, di.
Getcho ko lang.
Puro point
Getcho ko lang. Hammer.
Care, shaper.
Yo, only ditang hammer, boys. Don't worry, it's 47%. Stay up the walls. Just be careful behind us, bro.
Kaya ata natin
Okay,
yung...
nakita ko na yung ano, yung...
Watch me.
Yo, heart yung hodge. If you see the heart inside of us, that's the hodge, okay?
Yeah. I see it.
Be careful. Just stay at the back, bro. Stay there. Yo, boss, ready, shallow on me in 3, 2, 1. Kamis! Almost dead, oh. Go back, boys. Go back. Kamis, far east more. Be careful, di ka na shallow. Be careful. Getcho ko lang. Yo, Ditangs, don't let them engage you in front. Come here! Bro, once we engage, just fall back, bro. Don't let them stop you. Don't try to stop them at least. Hold and ready?
Don't let them engage you.
Yeah.
Don't let them engage you, guys.
Tempong pala.
Just stop if they're close. Okay.
I'm going to start hammering, okay? Bro, no boots ha. Save boots, okay? Expect. Save boots ha. Defensive boots, boys. Just do shallow on me, okay? You can reach me. Yo, be careful ha. They're looking. Bro, this is... Oh, I don't want to headbutt this, but...
Discard kami.
Bro,
Tas we were...
yeah, we gonna do fake boots ha.
looking.
Be careful. Yo, kamis pa. Kamis. Be careful, di ka na, ano. Kamis. Keep kiting east. Okay, they didn't do anything. Yo, stun mo, Jampong. Ay, nice na si Jampong. Jampong, gumilid-gilid ka, Jampong, kasi magpupush yan eh. Uy, sorry.
Eh, pwede yung stun yung shallow eh. Yan po. Try natin piktusan.
Hindi kasi may mga, madami silang ditang eh. We need to kill their ditang at least.
Yeah.
Masarap yun.
Drop mo lang imo. Kita
Basta
na.
ito nasa gate. Meron ano.
Yo, Brady, wait natin.
Ay, shibal.
Oh my
Stand
god.
mo na sa gate. Yo, stand mo sa gate, stand mo sa gate. Yo, boys, Brady,
Wait,
wait.
palabas sila, palabas sila.
Brady, night helmet. Yo, come northeast. Sabi, we get engage.
Pushing,
Deep
pushing
west,
pa rin,
deep west.
pushing pa rin.
3, 2, 1. Boom! Kamis more, boys. Kamis. Magbabak yan. Kamis. They're scared. Kamis. Just keep fighting east. Keep fighting east. Pat. Come southeast. Get your cooldown southeast.
Oy,
Get your cooldown southeast.
Na-engage yan sila.
Ready out.
Ready.
Cooldown ready.
Ready.
Stop
Yo,
ito.
boys, ready. Shallow west. 3, 2, 1. Ah, almost. Sayang, Delix, nauna ka. Ikaw lang namatay.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Go back, Rigger.
Mhm.
Yo, roll jacket on the ano. Please get your jacket.
Stun man. Yan po.
Sa labas pa din sila, local.
Yo, come southeast. I-run over lang tayo niyan. Paparm na sila, boys. Yo, be careful, ah. Come south, and then look southwest. West, bend the wall. 3, 2, 1. I need you to hit together, boys. Get your cooldown, roll jacket.
Hey, look in.
Come south, we don't have engage, boys. Come south, come on. Get your cooldown, assassin. Come on, cooldown ready?
Ready out.
Everyone?
Wait, 5 seconds.
Come south. Dito is south DPS. You have boots.
Ready.
Yo, boys, ready. Shallow north, hard north. 3, 2, 1. Come south. Hold south.
Shibal.
Nice.
Malay,
Yo,
malay.
don't help you, bro. Come south, west. Downstairs, come downstairs. Dali. Downstairs, go downstairs. Get your cooldown there, Cooldown ready?
Ready out.
Ready.
Wait. Ready.
Oh, come north, boys. Come north. Gago.
Buti na lang hinintay ko yung mismo hood ko doon.
Alright, yes, sir.
Bro.
Sana ako.
Then I saw that.
Almost died, bro. What the fuck?
Jen.
Antayin na si Delix. Wala pa si Delix kasi.
I believe you can. Times damage taken
Yan, mo yung
away.
ditang na yan.
Kaya
Kaya mo
Galing,
na yan,
Grove
i-polymorph yung isang ditang. Ay, wag
Oh my
itinerary.
Groundkeeper, what the fuck?
Kaya mo i-polymorph tong shallow.
Ay,
Yung mais, ano. Wait lang, pa-cooldown lang natin.
Patay witchwork nila, Tara. Patay witchwork.
Oasis kami.
Occult na kayo?
D7 lang, may occult na.
Yeah.
Ay!
Stan mo yung GA, ito yung GA. Kaya mo yung GA. Sa polymorph mo agad, ah. Kamsakis.
Same farm kayo ah.
Anong
O, keeper na, dali. T7 lang.
Outkeeper na. Hindi namin outkeeper. T7
Yung
gears.
kami.
Oh, keeper, yeah.
Ano ninyo yan?
Nangit na lang ako.
O, keeper nga, o, keeper.
We need more defensive. Outkeeper.
Yeah, we need more defensive to run.
Outkeeper would be
Yung polymorph mo yung,
fantastic.
kailangan ma-stun tong GA. We need to stun and then polymorph the GA, okay? Kamis
Yeah, yeah.
pa.
Okay, jampong.
Diyan po, pagka lumapit. Okay. Tayo ka lang kasi, para huwag ka lumapit. Parang kunwari,
Huwag kang gumagalaw-galaw.
malayo naman yung range mo eh.
Pagkapuno ka.